Here's some coup in Iran trivia. Subscribe. What year did the coup in Iran occur? Is it A, 1953, B, 1945, C, 1960, or D, 1975? The correct answer is A, 1953. Name the prime minister overthrown in 1953. Is it A, Sukarno, B, David Ben-Gurion, C, Mohammad Mossadegh, or D, Winston Churchill? The correct answer is C, Mohammad Mossadegh. Which foreign intelligence agency orchestrated the coup? Is it A, KGB, B, CIA, Mossad, or D, MI6? The correct answer is B, CIA. What was the operation name for the coup? Is it A, Operation Ajax, B, Operation Gladio, C, Operation Neptune, or D, Operation Rolling Thunder? The correct answer is A, Operation Ajax. Who was the monarch restored to power after the coup? Is it A, Ferdinand Marcos, B, Mohammad Reza Pahlavi, C, King Faisal, or D, Haile Selassie? The correct answer is B, Mohammad Reza Pahlavi. What key resource was nationalized by Iran's government? Is it A, agricultural sector, B, banking sector, C, textile industry, or D, oil industry? The correct answer is D, oil industry. What did Mossadegh advocate for regarding foreign companies? Is it A, deregulation, B, privatization, C, nationalization, or D, internationalization? The correct answer is C, nationalization. What was the name of the Iranian security force involved? Is it A, KGB, B, Savak, C, CIA, or D, Mossad? The correct answer is B, Savak. What significant event took place in July 1952? Is it A, mass protests, B, launch of Sputnik, C, discovery of DNA, or D, formation of NATO? The correct answer is A, mass protests. Which Iranian religious figure opposed Mossadegh? Is it A, Mohammad Mossadegh, B, Ayatollah Khomeini, C, Ayatollah Kashani, or D, Shah Mohammad Reza? The correct answer is C, Ayatollah Kashani. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.